on, Fatterwing, tell me where we're going.
You'll see.
Well, if you ain't gonna tell me where we're going, you could at least give me a hint.
No, Jody, it's a surprise.
Doggone it, Fatterwing! Look, even Flag can't wait to find out.
I still ain't telling.
Well, if you won't tell me, I'm going home. Come on, Flag.
I declare, Jody, you're too impatient.
Sorry, Fatterwing, I'm a very busy person.
So am I. That's what I built it for.
Built what?
Sorry, you're too busy. Well, this is it.
What? I don't see anything. Huh? Where's Flag going? Hey, what's that?
Flag saw it before you did.
Looks like a mailbox.
I made it all by myself.
But it don't make any sense, Fatterwing. The mailman never comes out this way.
This is for us, Jody.
What do you mean?
This spot right here is exactly halfway between your house and mine.
So?
So when we have something to tell each other, we can just leave a letter in our mailbox.
That's great, Fatterwing. We'll save us a lot of traveling time that way.
Unless there's an emergency.
What a good idea.
I knew you'd like it, and I think we should check this mailbox at least once a day.
Yeah. Oh, no, Flag. This here's one place you ain't gonna find no food. Flag, come back here. Flag, don't you dare! Flag!
Thank you.
Ma, is there anything you need from Fatterwings?
No, there isn't, Jody.
Are you sure it don't have to be nothing important?
What's going on? You need an excuse to go and play with Fatterwing?
What's going on here?
Hey, Pa, do you need anything from Fatterwings?
Well, I was thinking about asking Fatterwing's Pa if he could remember a worse dry spell.
Lately, I've been wondering whether or not it's ever going to rain again.
Even the water hole's drying up. I was sure we were going to have a good harvest this year. But at this rate, all our crops are going to dry up.
Maybe God's so busy with the rest of the world, he's forgotten all about us here.
You could be right. We usually have a storm or two by this time of the year.
Well, it sure don't look like rain.
Huh?
Oh, no, Flag, no. Be careful!
Oh, just look what he's done to our precious water.
Don't worry, Ma. I'll fetch us some water. Here I go, right now.
Wait a minute, Jody. Not today. We're going to have to start saving water from here on out.
Dear Father, please ask your father whether there has been such a serious drought before this year. I wonder if it sounds a little too formal, but then again, it is a letter. To Mr. F. Forrester. Gosh, that sounds a little funny when you say it. I'm tired. Morning, Pa.
Morning, Jody. You're up early today? Maybe there's some hidden meaning in that. Maybe it'll rain. Well, I'm willing to bet if you got up early every day, it'd start raining for sure.
Yeah, maybe. Well, I'm going now, Pa.
Where to, son?
No place special. Hey, Flag, come on. How come you can run so fast without even running out of breath? Hey, there can't be anything in there yet, Flag, because I'm the first one to get here. See? What's that? To Jody. I thought I was
going to be the first one to use this thing. He answered Pa's question before I even had a chance to ask it. Butterwing's Pa says that this is the first time in 35 years that he's seen it so dry.
So, Jody, you been all the way over to Potterwings already?
Just to ask his father that question?
Well, not really. I went halfway there, see?
So you met Potterwing at the halfway point.
Well, actually, I did want to keep this a secret. But here.
Oh.
Huh? We put up a mailbox at the halfway point.
Oh, I see.
Read us what it says.
And since all our crops will dry up if it don't rain soon, my pa wants to get together with your pa to see if they can come up with any ideas.
If he wants to talk with you, he should come over here.
I'll run over there later.
Can I come along, Pa?
All right, but just you.
You mean I can't bring Flag along with me?
I think it would be a good idea if you didn't take Flag in the woods for a while.
Why not?
Because people and crops ain't the only things in the world that need water to survive. There are bears and wolves all over the wood looking for water.
Yeah. Okay. You be a good boy, Flag. I'll be right back.
Let's go, Jody.
Yeah. You better behave yourself now. Hear me, Flag?
Whoa.
What are we stopping here for, Pa?
Those are bear tracks.